Yo, what's up guys? So, I'm back with another vlog of Riley Vlogs. So, in this vlog, I am just gonna be teaching, I have this hard time of saying teaching. Every single time I make a video, I say teaching. But I meant to say I'm here to talk to you guys. Just to talk to you guys for fun. Just leave in the comments if I should go to the Lamborghini dealership or Nissan dealership, because I'm really wanting to test drive a Nissan GTR or a Lamborghini Huracan or Aventador. So, this video, as you can see, I am actually cleaning my room right here. If you could see, cleaning my room right here. It's like really dirty, and I'm just playing music. These are all clean clothes in the basket down here and all that, and all this is like Christmas stuff and clothes that I forgot to put back. So yeah, just tell me in the comments if you like this kind of quality, because this is from my camera I'm using, not my phone back here. And if you guys want to go follow me on Instagram, it's _CONN, excuse me it's _CONNOR1418. So just go follow that, and yeah, just go follow that. So the first thing, I clean my room, and I do I'm gonna clean this up, and I have a little spot over here, my whole shelf and stuff, and down here, and I have a little shelf right here too. And today's shout out goes to Morale, Mark, Will, Gavin. The next shout, the one shout out is shout out to my friend Matthew, Sammy, Frank, who've been playing basketball with me for a couple days now, and yeah, I will get back to you when I'm finished. So yeah, let's get it. Peace.